Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how you can refresh your feed on TV. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. It's pretty simple. What you need to do is just scroll down like this until you see the option of refresh. Just go ahead and press on refresh. And you just gotta simply tap on it. And what this will do, it will refresh your whole system. After that, what you can do is just go to library. And in library, you just gotta scroll to history and then press on history. And then you'll see the option on top, which is clear all. Just simply press on clear all and delete everything in it. So once this is done, just start watching new videos and your feed will be fresh and it will be new. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one. Until then, goodbye.